Hi guys, I'm the Kidsplainer, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to fish with a beginner fishing rod. My cousin Orlando is going to be helping us. Let's get into it. For the equipment, you're going to want to have a closed-faced reel, rod and reel combo. You're going to want to have the line already spooled. You can get something like this at Walmart or a sporting goods store. And then you're going to want to get a tackle box with the basics, like small hooks, small weights you just attach to the line, and some bobbers. For the bait, we're going to be using corn, but another good option is worms. Worms, they're free, and they're a little bit slimy though. For the tackle, you're going to have a bobber, then about a foot to 2 feet, then your weight, and then about a foot or half a foot, and then your hook. The bobber is so that when you cast out your line, all this stuff doesn't sink to the bottom of the lake. And when you get a fish on, you'll be able to see the bobber going up and down in the lake. The weight is so that if you have a worm or corn that's light and it starts floating up, the weight will stop it. When you're tying on your hook, there are multiple different fisherman's knot. Your parents can look them up, but I recommend the Palomar Knot. It's secure and strong. You might be wondering, where do I go fishing? Any local pond will work. To cast, you're going to want to put the thumb on the button. You're going to hold it down. You're going to look if anyone's behind you so you don't hit them. You're going to swing back and release the button midway through your swing, and then that will release the line and send it out. And then you want to do a little half turn of the rod until you hear a click, and that will stop the line so that when you get a fish, they won't just keep pulling the line out. Now, you wait to see if the bobber is getting bites. It will go down when you are. And then when you do, reel in. Okay, here we go. I might not get a fish right away, and you might not either. It's a part of fishing. Just be patient and you'll get a fish.
Yeah. The whole part of fishing is being patient.
Fish on. Oh, fish off. Okay. I'm looking for the bobber, so to see that when it goes down, that's how you know a fish is on.
Because the fish has weight, and if it bites the hook, then the bobber goes down.
Yeah. You just need to be patient. You will probably not get a fish right away. Oh, there it goes, going down. There we go. Fish on.
Fish on.
You ate him.
Sunfish.
Okay, we got a little green sunfish. And so we want to be careful. We don't want to hurt the fish. So you're going to grab the fish from the top, hold them tight. And so the hook, you're going to push in and up. So there you go. Ooh, you tried to escape there. So you can take a fish and you can have your mom or dad take a photo of him so you can show to your friends.
Yeah.
And then now we're going to release him. So you just lower him down into the water. And there you go. Okay? Remember, thumb on the button, hold it down, swing, and release. Nice. Set the line. Oh. Just be patient. Oh. You got hook. Fish on. Fish on. Woohoo! Ooh, a little fish there. Nice. Good job, Orlando. High five. Okay. And to safely release him, oh, he's flapping around a little bit. Grab the hook, grab the fish, in and out. Like that. And there you go. A little fishy there. And there you go. Now for a little release. Bye, buddy.
That's how you fish.
Woohoo! That bye-bye was good.
Yeah.
Good job, Orlando.
Okay.
Now that you know how to catch a fish,
Know how to fish.
okay.
I hope. I haven't recorded. Now that you know how
But Dad, I knew what I was doing.
The fun part's at the end.
Yeah.
Exactly.